Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your progress. Copy the entire document's /mygames/Skyrim save folder to an external location so you can restore specific saves if needed. Once done, open your mod manager and systematically disable and uninstall every mod. Don't skip script extenders yet. Then launch Steam or your game launcher and run Verify Integrity of Game files to download original assets. This replaces corrupted or missing files. This combination prevents data loss and ensures you start the reset from a clean. Now you remove lingering user data. With the game closed, delete the Skyrim installation folder and clean the Skyrim subfolders in %local app data % and documents to eliminate leftover modified files. If you know the registry, remove Bethesda and Skyrim keys that reference custom paths. This ensures no corrupt launch settings persist. Once the base game is pristine, reinstall the script extender carefully, only the latest stable release, and do not reintroduce mods yet. These steps remove hidden conflicts and let you rebuild predictably. Finish by performing a fresh install to the original, verified path and apply any official updates. You should start the game with no mods and load a new game or a backed-up clean save to confirm stability. This shows whether the reset succeeded. If everything runs, reintroduce mods one at a time and test between editions. If crashes or missing assets return, boot in safe mode or the launcher's diagnostic mode. Then inspect load order and enabled plugins. This targeted check usually reveals the lingering culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.